very much. Also, we'd like to express our gratitude to the Minister for the commitments that she outlined. And we're going to be working very hard from here on in. We've just got that 1 month to finally secure the EU funding and to follow the orientations that she laid out. And so we're also here to celebrate, not just here to look at the bad situation that we've been through, but to celebrate the arrival of this international promotional flight, which is going to do so much to visibilise the situation here in the Canary Islands. And I'd like to thank the WTO, not only the Secretary General for being here, but also for bringing such a large team of 14 people who are going to go around and visit the 8 Canary Islands. And this is a wonderful opportunity to be able to showcase all the different aspects that they can visit there in the different islands. It's also a good opportunity to show how we've tackled the pandemic and how we've been able to readapt things here in the Canary Islands, not just in tourism, but all sectors of economic activity, and as I said, to showcase all of that. It's also important to get the message across that obviously this is now a safe destination, but that if any tourists who come here unfortunately do get sick, that we're perfectly well equipped to treat them. But it's absolutely paramount that they don't get the impression that they're going to come here and have some kind of hospital experience. It's a holiday experience, it's a feel-good experience. And I think that our Fortaleza, our Strength project, is going to play a key role here. It's rolled out in all the islands, and I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the island councils for their collaboration. So this flight, as I say, it marks a turning point. We've also made good use of the seats on the flight to be able to participate in the national promotion that is currently underway to attract people here to the Canary Islands. And the winners of a raffle that was held have travelled on this plane. These are health workers who obviously were right in the front line of the pandemic, and they have come down on the plane. And obviously then they will be able to spread the word about the good time they have here and the safe conditions. So we know here we're in the summer season, which is not high season in the Canary Islands. It gives us a little bit more time to adapt. We've already adapted, but to test out the protocols and to catch any glitches that might come through, so that we are at 100% performance level for the high season. And so this will help to get the word out that it's a very safe destination and everybody can come and visit us. Of course, we're also in a situation where many of the main markets where our tourists come from are not in the fortunate position that we are in terms of their numbers, and they're still in the grips of the pandemic. So I myself and the President have made the most of the Minister's visit here to ask for, or to politely demand, specific concrete measures and commitments from the central government in terms of making the furlough process more flexible and extending it. Because, of course, our situation here is different from other parts of mainland Spain. We're more dependent on air connectivity. We've just managed to get over the Thomas Cook crisis. And we do have the situation, as I mentioned, where our main markets are not yet in a position to be able to travel. So we need more incentives. Now, we know that's not under the direct jurisdiction of the Minister, but we've asked her to transfer this message back to the central government. So I think, it's been a really good meeting, and to end on a positive note with this international promotion, I'd like to thank all the people who've made it possible, and the President and the WTO for their collaboration.
Muchas gracias. Quiero, en primer lugar, dar las gracias a la organización